Welcome back to the channel. This video is part of a full series where I share practical cybersecurity tips from the perspective of an ethical hacker to help you protect yourself online and stay ahead of cybercriminals. So if you want to keep learning simple, actionable security tips, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the upcoming videos in this series. Cyber attacks don't always begin with code. Often, they start with a message. And the most widespread and dangerous among them is phishing. Let's break down what phishing and spear phishing are, why they're so effective, and the warning signs you should never ignore. 1. What is phishing? Phishing is a deceptive tactic where attackers send fake emails, texts, WhatsApp messages, or social media DMs. Their goal? To trick you into revealing your login details, clicking malicious links, or installing malware. 2. What is spear phishing? Now take phishing and make it personal. That's spear phishing. Attackers craft messages specifically for you, using your name, your job role, your company, or details pulled from social media. These messages feel familiar, urgent, and trustworthy. And that's why they work. 3. Why it works. Phishing succeeds because it exploits human behavior. Attackers rely on trust, pretending to be your bank, boss, or coworker. Urgency, reset now or verify payment immediately. Familiarity, using names or brands you recognize. 4. Red flags to watch. For here are the warning signs you should never ignore. Strange or unfamiliar sender addresses. Hover to see the real email. Odd spelling or look-alike domains like paypa1.com. Messages pushing you to act immediately. Unexpected attachments, especially with double extensions like .pdf.exe5. The real harm. Falling for a phishing attack can result in stolen passwords, financial loss, identity theft, account takeovers, or hidden malware on your device. One wrong click can compromise your entire digital life. If you want to build real cybersecurity skills and understand how ethical hackers think, check out the trusted cybersecurity courses linked below, whether you're protecting yourself, your business, or considering a career in cybersecurity. These courses are the perfect place to start. And don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss the next episodes in this cybersecurity series. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.